Hello, my friends. This is Kent Hall, Chief Technology Officer at Client Tether. I'm here to talk to you about the pipeline. The pipeline columns are made up of the sales cycles. So whatever you've put in as your sales cycle for this contact type, that's what makes up the columns for pipeline. I should say it's your active pipeline that is showing here. If you want to see your inactive pipeline, you can come right over here and click. The header of that column will tell you the name of that sales cycle, as well as the quantity of contacts that are in it, and a summation of the deal size for all of the contacts in that column. Next, we're going to look at some of the sorting features that are available for the columns. Over here on the right, click on the three dots to open up the sorting options. Just looking at this list, we have the days in column, which shows how long each contact has been in the column. And anyone can see that if somebody's been in this column for 2.5 years, are they really progressing? Again, the sorting just allows you to see, bubble things up to the top. Now let's consider some other ways to look at the data. One is by searching. You can fill in a name and press enter, and it will then just search for that list. That can be cleared. And now we can look at some of the other color dots that are of interest. The color dots are another way of sorting. If you're familiar with our contact list, the red dots mean it's a new lead. A yellow dot means that you've missed a contact reminder. A green dot means you have a contact reminder for today. A gray dot means that there are still pending actions from an action plan. However, a black dot means there are no pending actions from an action plan. In other words, you need to work these leads and assign an action plan so that the system will help you nurture them to the next step. Now, if you want to sort a color dot to the top of the list, all you have to do is come up here to the priority buttons and click on one of those, and it will be sorted. And just a couple comments more. You can click on a dot and you'll see a miniature contact profile where it will show you which pending actions are still waiting, as well as the action plan, deal size, and some more. Closing that dialog box, we can click on the name and it will open up the entire or the full contact profile and allow you to work that lead in any way that you need to. And that brings me to the end of my introduction to the pipeline.